If you want to see places you've been on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to find that setting in just a few clicks. This is useful if you want to review your location history or check what location data X may have stored. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. Find and click More. This is where X hides a lot of the extra account settings. Once the menu opens, click Settings and Privacy. This takes you to the main settings page for your account. From there, select Privacy and Safety. This is the section where X organizes your privacy controls, account visibility options, and location-related settings. Next, click Location Information. Here you'll find the settings connected to location data and history. Now click See Places You've Been. That option will show you the places associated with your account based on the location information X has recorded. And that's it. You've now found where to see places you've been on X. If this tutorial was helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more X tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.